Let me guess. You've got RTI notes in a notebook, some data on a spreadsheet, a few sticky notes floating around your desk, and then suddenly, boom, you get an email that says, "Reminder, RTI meeting tomorrow." And now you're scrambling, trying to pull everything together like your life depends on it. If that sounds like you, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple system that helps you organize all of your RTI documentation in one place so you can save time, reduce stress, and walk into your next meeting like, "I got this." By the end of this video, you're going to see exactly how I track interventions, monitor student progress, organize meeting notes, and keep everything in one place. And I'm also giving you a free RTI documentation starter pack so you can start using this system right away. Just check it out in the description box below. And make sure you stay until the end because I'm going to show you the one feature that saves me the most time. And honestly, once you see it, you're going to wonder why you didn't start doing this sooner. If you're a teacher, parent, or creative who wants to turn your skills into real income, you're in the right place. I'm Ebony from Easy Street Teaching and Learning, and on this channel, I show you how to teach it, create it, or sell it. It's one of those things that sounds simple until you actually have to do it. Because you see, now you're responsible for tracking interventions, monitoring student progress, documenting meetings, communicating with parents, and somehow keeping it all organized. And you have to do all of this while teaching, planning, grading, answering emails, and trying to drink your morning tea or coffee before it gets cold, which, let's be honest, never happens. And the biggest problem isn't even the work itself, it's the fact that everything is in different places. You've got a notebook over here, a spreadsheet over there, email somewhere in your inbox, and random notes that you swear you wrote down somewhere. Not to mention all of the different platforms that you have to use to keep up with all of your students' interventions. But you can't find all of the information when you actually need it. So instead of trying to keep up with all of that chaos, I created a simple digital RTI documentation system using Google Sheets that keeps everything in one place. One place, guys. And when I say one place, I mean everything. First, I start with a student profile tab. This is where I keep student information, academic concerns, behavior notes, and intervention-focused areas. So instead of trying to remember everything, it's all right here. Now, I'll be honest with you. This does require some upfront work from you in the beginning, but once it's done, you have it. Then afterwards, all you have to do is update this information as needed. And because it's in digital format, you can print it and regenerate it as many times as you need. Next is my intervention tracker. And this right here is where the magic starts happening. I track Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3 interventions. And I can say what strategy I use, how often I use it, how long I've used it, and whether it actually works or if changes needed to be made. Because let's be honest, sometimes we try something and we're like, yeah, that did not work. Now, let's talk about progress monitoring. This is where I enter student data weekly or bi-weekly, depending on whether it's Tier 3 or Tier 2. And this is what helps me answer the big question. Is this student actually improving? Because if they're not, guess what? We need to adjust. Now this right here is the feature that saves me the most time. These graphs are automatically created from the data I enter. So instead of scrambling before a meeting trying to create visuals, I already have everything ready. And I know what you're saying. You probably already have some type of platform that your school district uses for RTI documentation. But I've created this anyway so that I have my own personal set of data so that if the platform is ever not working or if anything happens, I have what I need and I am prepared. So when I walk into a meeting, I'm not like, instead, I'm like, here's the data. And then I also have tabs for meeting notes, parent communication, collaboration notes. So everything is documented and organized all in one place, and it's easy to find. So instead of having papers everywhere, notes all over the place, and last minute stress, you now have one system, one location, one clear process. If you're sitting here thinking, I need this in my life, I got you. I created a free RTI documentation starter pack that includes a student profile page, an intervention tracker, a progress monitoring sheet. You can download it using the link in the description box. And if you want the full system with all the tabs, trackers, and automatic graphs already built out for you, I've also created, and if you want the full system with all the tabs, trackers, and automatic graphs already built out for you, I've also created the complete RTI digital documentation system that I personally use. The link for that too is in the description box. If this video helped you, go ahead, hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos that help you teach smarter, stay organized, and even turn skill into income. Until next time, teach it with purpose, create it with strategy, and build income with confidence. The easy street way. And remember, dreams don't work unless you do.